His face is so weird.
Kaamulan weekend, rain or shine.
Still works. And
They have a lot of sports shirts with really good designs. In this shop, the prices range like 300 to 450 pesos. So we stayed at Hotel de Lu. It's a fairly new hotel. Naalang ni siya next block from the Malaybalay Polymedic General Hospital. There's a convenience store downstairs and isa lang kaliko na ana din ka sa Malaybalay bus terminal. The room that we got it for 2,300 pesos. It's very clean and it's also very accessible. But yep, dako na si Ocean so di na yun mi gakasigo aning 2 single beds.
So cold here.
So bahala pag mag-ulan og kusog, no problem. We brought our umbrella, ang dalamig mga payong, and since naa naman mi dinhi, best to explore, rain or shine.
Hi.
Guys, namin na rin sa gawas.
Ocean and Papa.
Nahulog lang kalit iyang ngipon, guys. Yes. Ate 3 slices of pizza, some french fries, some rice, fruit juices, powdered fruit juices. So dapat lang yun medyo mag-move more. Good morning, rise and shine. Pwede na pag sa part nga, get ready with me. What's really nice here in Malaybalay during the Kaamulan Festival is that if you want to escape from all the noise and the crowd of the Capitol grounds, there's a green space for you, which is also very walkable from the Kaamulan grounds. Nai foods, nai stream, you can enjoy the whistling of the leaves and the chirping of the birds. You can take a break with a walk here.
It's a horny.
I found a spotted dog.
Animal. You. What's your question? Question to the owl?
Why are they awake in yeah, but they usually be awake in night and sleep in day. But why are they awake in day?
Why are you awake, you
Wait.
owl?
His face is so weird. PVD.
PVD daw.
Ay, sino to tayo? Friends today.
Your coffee? Ocean.
Game was so funny. My poop. Parang
And mauna lagi ni basta lagi mga edad ng mga late 30s. Dili na pwede walay pasalubong nga tanong pag-uli. Among talisay tree sa garden sa Nasuli Spring gyapon to namo na palit, and this time kaning bougainvillea nga among gipalit. We're also gonna plant this in our garden.